Namaste. My name is Tinku Emora, State Secretary, AVP Meghalaya. Let me introduce my esteemed member who are present here today. This is Nibyam Sume, CWC member, AVP. This is Bomsing Kongtil, NEC member, as well as the State Joint Secretary, AVP Meghalaya. This is Yasan Khan, the Office Secretary, AVP Meghalaya. So we are here today for holding the press conference regarding the national conference as well as the state conference. As we all know that AVP is the world's largest student organization with the population of more than 50 lakhs, which is working with the aim of national reconstruction and national rebuilding through multidimensional and multifarious activities across the nation. So AVP being a student organization, and we used to have a national conference every year in the national level and the state level. And this year also we have conducted AVP Meghalaya organized each state conference in Shillong on 12, 13, 14th of November 2024 at Osusotam Auditorium. So in this state conference, around 400 delegates from across the state came to attend this conference, and this is the first time that we have conducted state conference for the first time, resident year state conference in the state of Meghalaya. In the state conference, we had different sessions, and we had discussed about the various issues in the state of Meghalaya. And on the first day of the conference, we had a district-wise meeting. In that meeting, we discussed about the various issues in respect to the district. And also after that, on the second day, we have an inaugural session. The chief guest for the inaugural session was Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, C.H. Vijaya Sankarji, and he gave a wonderful speech and encouraged the youth of Meghalaya. And after that, on that day, on the same day, we had an election that we used to have every year. So this year, we appointed and we elected the new state president and new state secretary for the year 2025. Dr. Sasam Kutlam Kungturem as a state president, and Sri Tinku M. Mara as a state secretary for the year 2025. And thereafter, we had a other session, role model session. In role model session, we have invited 3 important persons from Meghalaya itself. Namely, the first one is Bonke Armara, who is the founder of the EcoCrate. Everybody knows that. And secondly, Simi Kongtiang, recently the one who received the award, international award. She is the filmmaker. And thirdly, Meriba Sume, who is the young entrepreneurial lady. So they have motivated the delegates, and they have encouraged all the delegates, those who are present in the state conference. And on the last day of our state conference, we hold the cultural procession right from the program place up to Danketi Point. And in that cultural procession, all the delegates and other members participated with the full traditional dress with the slogan of student power, nation power, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Vande Mataram, to enhance the feeling of nationalism and the nation first attitude among the people. And beside this, we have different other sessions on the just after the cultural procession. We had a valedictory session, and after that, the conference was came into conclusion. And now coming to the national conference. National conference will start from 22nd of November till 24th of November. So it was held in Gorakhpur this year. So it was the 17th national conference of ABVP, right from the I don't remember the exact time, sorry for that. So this is the the 70th National Conference of ABBP. So in that conference, more than 1500 delegates from across the nation came, and from Meghalaya, 13 delegates attended the national conference. So on the second day in the national conference, we have an inaugural session. It is similar to the state level program because we follow the same system and the formula. And in the inaugural session, in the inaugural session, we have invited the CEO of Juho company. I think everybody knows that. Sridhar Bamboo. He stated in his speech that we should not be a job seeker, rather we must be a job creator. And also, after that, in the national conference, we had a resolution session. Every year we used to pass the resolution, depend on the present scenario of our nations and the state. So this year ABBP passed the 4 resolution. Resolution number 1, we have declining quality of educational institution. So this is the first resolution that we have passed in the 70th National Conference of ABBP. And this is the second resolution to control unjustified fees hike. This is the third resolution to embrace organic food over processed and adulterate products. This is the third resolution. And this is the fourth resolution. It's all about the Bharat Major Diplomacy on International Platform. So after total discussion on the various issues that we have passed this 4 resolution, and after that, on the last day of the national conference, we had a youth forum. In that youth forum, we discussed about the Viksit Bharat 2047. Everybody knows that what is the vision of our country for 2047. So we have discussed about the Viksit Bharat and who will be the responsibility for that, and what will be the role of youth for 2047. And specifically, we discuss about the education sector, economic sector, and the national security and international relation of Bharat. Thereafter, we have our program on that day. So we awarded one of the person who is working for the disabilities across the nation, who is running the college and schools across the nation. We have awarded in the name of Yashwantrao Kelkal, Professor Yashwantrao Kelkal, and in that award program, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi was present. And now I am coming to the upcoming program. So we are planning to organize a various program in upcoming days. Tomorrow, that is on the 6th of December, every year we used to celebrate Social Equality Day. So on the occasion of Social Equality Day, we are going to organize a different program, like talk on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, as we all know that who is considered to be the father of Indian Constitution. And on 12th January, so this is a main program for us, 6th December and 12th December. On 12th January, on the occasion of that anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, we used to celebrate as a National Youth Day. So on that day also, we are going to organize a different program across the state. And thirdly, we are going to organize sports activities across the state in the name of Khelo Bharat. So this is a program that we have initiated by the ABBP in order to push the interest of the youth to participate in the sports activities. And fourthly, we are going to organize a seal tour. Every year we used to organize. This is one of the project of ABVP. Since 1965 we have started this project. The main purpose of organizing this program is to make an emotional attachment among the people in our country. We used to organize this program as a cultural exchange. From northeastern states, the youth, the students, they used to go to other part of the India and they used to learn the cultures and language and other things from them, and they also tells them to learn the cultures of northeastern people. So these are the things that we are going to organize in our